Hello friends and welcome to my channel Chambers, and we will be talking today about the national immunization schedule, and this is very important from the pediatrics and community PSM point of view, that we are following this schedule for the vaccination purposes till a baby reaches the age of 16 years. So this schedule, it starts at birth and ends at 16 years. So I have seen this topic is very much difficult for some people. So I will try to make it very much simple. So at birth we are giving the BCG, oral polio vaccine, oral polio vaccine, and we write 0, and 0 stands for at birth, and Hep B. So at birth we are giving BCG, OPV, Hep B. BCG, OPV, Hep B. This is how we remember. At 6 weeks, we are giving the first dosage of DPT1, first dosage of OPV1, first dosage of Hep B1. At 10th weeks, write like same DPT2, OPV2 and Hep B2. At 14 weeks, third dosage of DPT3, third dosage of DPT, third dosage of OPV and third dosage of Hep B. Now this becomes okay. Now let us add more to them. So how we add them is we write like this. So at 6 weeks, what else we are giving is HIB1, HIB2 and HIB3. Rotavirus V1, rotavirus second dose and rotavirus third dose. First dosage of pneumococcal conjugate vaccine is given at 6 weeks, and second dosage of pneumococcal conjugate is given at 14 weeks. And now they have added the fractionated IPV1 dose. So fractionated IPV1 dose is given at 6 weeks, and fractionated IPV second dose is given at 14 weeks. I hope this is very much easy to remember like this. And next we take a different color and remember what is given at 9 months. So at 9 months we are giving measles to this child, MR first dosage, but this is always given with vitamin A. The vitamin A dosage is 1 lakh international units, and with that we are also giving Japanese encephalitis first dose and pneumococcal conjugate vaccine booster dose, because we have already given the dosages at 6 weeks and 14 weeks. So what we are giving at every 6 months, so every 6 months we are giving vitamin A. Every 6 months we are giving vitamin A, and the dosage is 2 lakhs international units. But this is given every 6 months till the child reaches the age of 5 years. So at 16 to 24 months we give the booster dosage of DPT, booster dosage of OPV and measles second dose, and also the Japanese encephalitis second dose, because we have already given the Japanese encephalitis first dose at 9 months. So we are giving the boosters of DPT and OPV at 16 to 24 months. 10 years we are giving the tetanus toxoid booster dose. 16 years we are giving the tetanus toxoid booster dose, but in the recent immunization schedule they have replaced this with DT. So DT stands for diphtheria and toxoid combination. And another important thing to remember is they have said in the immunization schedule that pregnant females should also be vaccinated with tetanus toxoid. I hope you enjoyed this video, and to just give a little review about this, we have to remember that at birth we are giving the BCG, OPV and Hep B. At 6 weeks we are giving the first dosage of DPT, first dosage of OPV, first dosage of Hep B, first dosage of HIB, first dosage of Rota, first dosage of pneumococcal conjugate and first fractionated dose of IPV. At 10 weeks, we are giving the second dosage of DPT, second dosage of OPV, second dosage of Hep B, second dosage of HIB, second dosage of Rota. At 14 weeks, we are giving the third dosage of DPT, third dosage of OPV, third dosage of Hep B, third dosage of HIB, third dosage of rotavirus, second dosage of PCV, and fractionated IPV, second dose. At 9 months, we give measles with vitamin A 1 lakh international units and also Japanese encephalitis first dose with pneumococcal conjugate vaccine booster dose. Every 6 months we have to give vitamin A and the dosage is 2 lakh international units till the child reaches 5 years of age. 16 to 24 months we give DPT boosters, OPV boosters, measles second dose and Japanese encephalitis second dose. At 5 years we are giving the booster dosage of DPT, booster dosage of TT are given at 10 years and 16 years of age, but now in the recent immunization schedule they have replaced it with DT, that stands for diphtheria and toxoid combination. And another important thing to remember is that pregnant females are also vaccinated with DT. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want me to make more videos like this, kindly subscribe to my channel Chambers. Thank you.